Hello and welcome. Today we're gonna show you how to install this printer, these inks, and how to make all this work. The first thing is to install the inks. To make this happen, open the doors of the printer, and after you will notice that this will come to the middle. Also remove the inks from the package. As you may see here, I have already done this, and remove the protective tapes from the inks, and after install the inks to this right place. So first take the black one, put inside, slide through, and after put your finger here and press up. And when you hear the click, it's done. Very easy. The same thing with the color one. Just slide inside and press tick. Done. Close the door, close this door, and you are all set regarding the ink. Okay. Now we show you how to print a test page, how to connect to the Wi-Fi. After to connect your printer to the Wi-Fi, scan this icon there with your phone and press to the presentation website, and after will be an app that you need to download. Go and download this app. Authorize application if you can by pressing the password and wait this to download. Yes, this is the good thing about this is a wireless printer, so you don't need any cables. You can install. Then when the application is downloaded, open this and you see some notifications. Maybe you can say allow, not allow. I don't like to allow notifications. And okay, there's some statement here. Wow. Now it will search for the printer. So I will do add the printer. Yes, I would like to use a Bluetooth. So is the Bluetooth activated? Let me double check. Yes, it is. Yes, I think. Okay. Set up a new printer. Yes, this is what we want. So allowed to use the location, yes, give access, and after it says this complicated stuff. So go to settings and find the printer. Okay. So do as it says, go to settings, go to Wi-Fi, and you're gonna find this one here, HP setup. So click on this one.
Is it the right 363?
Yeah, it was not.
No, 3630.
No, it's the right one because it's a series. So when it's connected, go back. It will detect that it's connected, and after you have to put the Wi-Fi password. I58. And it seems that it is working. Yes. Now it seems that the printer is connected to the Wi-Fi. Amazing. Me, that's my first time doing this stuff, but it seems straightforward. It seems a bit more complicated than the usual, but it's straightforward. It's not so hard to make. Anyone can do these steps, right? Just needs to follow some routine checkup list. It's connected. So it says printer is connected to this. So following the guide setup. Wow, it says some guidelines how to save ink. So you can print from anywhere. That's good. You can have the printer anywhere. She printer wants to sign in. If you want to do this, press continue, but I don't want to share information. So let's see if it's what is continue. So it's about you to make an account. So I don't want that. I just want to continue here. Okay, this is about the guarantee and account activation. I don't want to do that at this moment, but maybe another time. Okay, now is give you some, if you want to make some plans about the ink. No, I don't want any plans. Yes, keep to remind me. You know, recently they make like a service. Print from other devices, so you have to install this if you want to print. Okay, you can send a link to your other devices if you want. So you can send. Okay, I will send a link. Okay, done. And after congratulations, you can start printing. Also, you can start and print test, but I'm not gonna do this now. I'm gonna do this later. Okay. Yes, in order to print, connect to your printer, you have to go to these websites, 123sp.com, and after put your exact model. So in our case, it's DJ, like my username, 3630, and press enter. And you say get the app. So click here, get the app, open Microsoft Store, right? And you can click here, install. Oh, it's already installed? Yes, launch. And very easily, it should find the printer and get connected. Now, and now end printer, right? And we search the wireless for the printer that we have already connected before, and should find the printer in this I forgot to turn on the printer. Wait, guys.
We're waiting.
No printers available. Let's do refresh. So again, we is searching for the printer.
Okay.
Printer is not available. Oh, we found the printer. Yes, let me get a close look from that. Why you went so far? Yes. Maybe I should put it like this. Yes, once you found the printer, click here. It will ask you to unload this app. Oh, you're already in there. And now it says enjoy the benefits. So and now we're gonna print a test page. Okay, I don't want to create an account. We don't want that. We just want to print a test page and see if this works. Install to print.
You need to install printer drivers.
Yes, press this one, install to print, and now it will install the driver so you can print instantly. Remove this saving stuff and go print documents.
Or settings, maybe.
Huh?
Maybe settings?
Yes, we have to go to settings. So you go back, where settings? Here. And you're gonna get test page. We want to be individual one. Anyway. Demo page. Print. And we're gonna go to see if it's gonna print this. Okay, let's go to the printer.
Oh,
Yes. Oh, something's working here. Yes, you have to fill the paper in this.
yeah.
Ah, okay.
See.
Yes, so, yeah, load the paper there, not here. There, and after press the continue button, which will be
I don't know, blinking.
this one.
Come on.
Okay, maybe it's not the fastest printer I've ever seen in my life. But
It's Monday morning.
yes, Monday morning it takes some time to load. But that's a proof that the printer is working. And
But it's a complicated print with color and stuff.
yes. Okay.
Pictures.
Yeah, at least now we know for sure the printer is working. We're not gonna return it back. Okay. If you want to cancel the printing, what do you press to cancel? Okay. You need to finish or shall I cancel?
But it's done, right?
Yeah. Wow, it prints very beautifully.
Yeah.
Ooh. It's so nice.
Wow.
Okay. I think task is done. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you saw the guide how to install this HP DexJet 3630. If you have any comments, let me know. Thank you. Bye bye.